Good morning, people. It's the cat. Yeah, and he's fighting me. And the reason why he's fighting me is because big news. Yes, welcome to the modern day world. The cat is going to have his balls cut off. Good morning, people. Well, we've come today down to the beach. We've come down to the beach today with drinks. Here's Anna. Hello, Anna.
Dad!
Yeah?
If you talk to me, I'm going to fall down and hurt myself.
Well, you'll be careful, haven't you? Put the phone down, babe. This is Balloon Beach. Thank you, Anna.
Welcome.
I'm welcome.
Hey, you are not welcome. You are thank you.
These are good people, aren't they? So what we do is we come down here, and Daddy's not allowed to work. If I was allowed to work, I would actually help them clear this beach up.
Oh, when you are, that's the work like.
Well, no, you can work because you're Thai, and Mummy can work because she's Thai.
Huh? Here?